Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to rationalize the following expression. Now suppose we are given different questions and we are asked to rationalize it. The way each and every one of them is actually different from one another because their signs are different. Now looking at the first one I'm having 3 plus root 2 divided by root of 5 plus root 3. So the first thing I'm going to do is that whenever I want to rationalize, I can choose to rationalize with either the denominator or numerator. Exactly. So if I'm going with the denominator, I can rationalize with just, I will change the sign to negative. So here I'm going to have this word, that's 3 plus root 2, exactly, divided by what? That's actually 5 root 5 plus root 3, then multiply by what? That's root 5 minus root 3, divided by what? Root 5 minus root 3. So after that, the next thing I'm going to do is that let's go ahead and what and simplify this expression. I'm going to have this word. That's actually 3 plus what? Root 2. Then open another bracket. That's root 5 minus root 3. Now, while rationalizing, if you look at this denominator very well, they are actually conjugate sort of each other. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to expand. I'm going to multiply this and this together. I'm going to have root 5 multiplied by root 5. That's actually root 5 all squared, right? Then root 5 multiplied by this. That's actually minus root 5 root 3, right? Then the next one I'm having this multiplied by this, that's actually plus root 5 times that's root 3, right? Then the last one I'm having minus root 3 or squared. So this and this will cancel each other. So the next thing I'm going to have is that I'm going to have this expression to be, that's actually 3 plus root 2, right, into brackets. That's actually root 5 minus root 3, then divided by, if you look at this very well, root 5 all square is still the same as writing 5 minus root 3 s square is still the same as 3. So in this case, I'm going to have this word, that's actually 3 plus root 2, right, into brackets, root 5 minus what? Root 3 divided by what? 2. Exactly. So that's just it. You can choose to leave your answer like this, or you go ahead and what? And expand this bracket. Then you have your what? Your normal form of rationalization. So now let's move to the next question. So the next question I'm having here is actually root of 4 minus 8 root 2 plus 1 minus what? Root. So here I'm going to rationalize this what? I'm going to rationalize this side with 1 minus root 2, right, divided by what? 1 minus root 2. So rationalizing with this, I'm going to have this word, that's actually 4 minus 8 root 2, right, into brackets 1 minus root 2, right, divided by what? Divided by, that's 1 plus root 2 into brackets, again 1 minus root 2. So if you look at this very well, from the first expression here, I can actually factorize 4 out. So I'm going to have this word 4 into brackets, that's 1 minus, in fact that's 2 root 2, exactly. If you factorize 4 out, you're going to have 1 minus 2 root 2 into brackets 1 minus what? Root 2, exactly. Then divided by, you're going to have this to be what? That's 1. Then this is going to be what? Plus, that's root 2 minus root 2, right? Then you're going to have minus root 2 all squared. So if you choose to simplify this expression further, you're going to have this to be, that's actually is going to be equal to, that's 4 into bracket 1 minus 2 root 2, right, into brackets, again you're going to have 1 minus root 2, then divided by this, actually this and this will cancel each other, then you're going to have 1, then here actually we have this and this will cancel each other actually, so here you're going to have 1 minus what? 2. So which is actually, this expression is going to become 4 into bracket 1 minus 2 root 2 into bracket 1 minus root 2, right, divided by what? That's actually 1, or you just say minus 1. So you can put minus here anyhow. So you can choose to what? To leave your hands like this, or if you want to simplify further, you can just expand this and what? And simplify further. Now let's move to the third one. The third one, we are given this expression and we are asked what? To rationalize it. So we are going to rationalize with what? With this denominator, which is, we are going to rationalize with 4 root what? Root 3 plus 2 root what? Root 2 divided by what? Next one I'm going to have 2 root 2, that's actually plus, sorry, 4 root 3 again plus 2 root 2. So I'm going to rationalize with this one. So now if I should simplify this, I'm going to have this to be equals to, that's 2 root 2 right? Plus 3 root 3 into brackets. I'm having 4 root what? 3 plus 2 root 2. So all divided by, here I'm going to be having, that's, I will multiply them together. I'm going to have 4 root 3 all squared, right? Then I'm going to have this what? That's actually uh, plus 4 root 3 multiplied by 2 root 2. If I multiply this and this together, then followed by multiplying this and this, I'm going to have minus 4 root 3 multiplied by what? 2 root 2. Then I'm going to have minus again 2 root 2 all squared. So this and this will cancel each other, right? Then I'm going to left with, that's 2 root 2 plus 3 root 3 into brackets 4 root 3, right, plus 2 root 2, which is this, then divided by, here I'm having 4 root 3 all squared, then 4 root 3 all squared, 4 squared is actually, that's 16, right, then multiply by these two, we cancel the root of 3, I'm going to have 3, then followed by minus 2 squared is actually 4, then this square will also cancel this square, I'm going to have multiplied by 2. So if I simplify this expression further, I'm going to have this what? 2 root 2, right, plus 3 root 3 into brackets 4 root what? Root 3 plus 2 root 2. So you can choose to expand this further and simplify further. So now here I'm going to have 15 multiplied by 3, that's actually 48 minus 8. Then this is actually 40, which is equals to 40, right? So this expression is going to be, that's 2 root 2 plus 3 root 3, right? Then close the bracket, then open another bracket, 4 root 3 plus 2 root 2. So all divided by 48 minus 8, that's actually 40. So you can choose to leave it like this, or you simplify further, anyhow you like. So let's move to the last one. The last one, I'm going to rationalize what with 1 plus root of what? Of 5. Then divided by what? 1 plus root of what? Of 5. So rationalizing with this expression, I'm going to have this to be what? 1 plus root 5, right, into brackets 1 plus root 5, right? Then divided by what? I'm going to have this to be what? 1 minus root of 5. Then multiply by what? 1 plus root of what? Of 5. So in this case, I'm going to expand both brackets. I'm going to have this what? 1. Then I'm going to have this multiply this 1. Then plus this multiply that's what? Root 5. Exactly. Then this one that's plus root 5 again. Then that's plus this multiply this is going to give me what? 5. Divided by what? Divided by this multiply this, I'm going to have 1, right? Then this multiply this, I'm going to have minus, that's actually that should was 1 multiply this is going to be minus what? Root of 5. Root of 5, exactly. Then we are going to have plus root of 5, right? Then we are going to have minus root of 5 all squared if you expand it. Then here we can simply go, this is actually the same thing as 1 plus 5, right, plus 2 root of 5 divided by what? This and this cancel out, then you're going to have 1 minus 5, because root of 5 all squared, this is going to cancel this, and I'm going to have minus 5. So the final answer to this is going to be, that's 6 plus what? 2 root 5 divided by what? That's actually 1 minus 5 is actually 4, right? That's minus 4. Then I'm going to have the final answer to what? To be something like this. So if you enjoyed the video, please kindly like and share the video. Kindly like and share it with your friends, and do well to click on the subscription button and also notification button so that you can get notified whenever I drop a new video. So that's us. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.